Hi friends, this is Jay Eichmann, Road Test Success. If you're a new driver and your test is coming up, why not get a dash camera and have me pay for it? This channel started because I installed a dash cam in my own vehicle. I thought it'd be great protection against any sort of insurance claim or some sort of issue with the vehicle. That camera was recording when my son took his driving test, and as a teacher, I thought this can help my students. This has educational value. This could help other students. Little did I know that this would be the beginning of a tremendous resource for driving students across the United States. This channel, Road Test Success, is the #1 driving test channel on YouTube, and it's only possible because people like you are willing to share their encouragement, tips, their experience, and their videos. We've got a great thing going on here thanks to people like you. Thanks for helping to keep this going. If you're taking your drive test soon and you don't already have a dash camera, consider getting a camera. Then send me that unique or interesting test video and I'll pay you the cost of your camera. That's how we've received most of the content on this channel. If you check the details below, go below the video, I've listed several great cameras along with a link that gives full details on the camera purchase program. And I'm not trying to make this difficult or overcomplicate this. I'm just trying to give fair compensation and show gratitude to the people who share their videos and experiences on the channel. You're not going to be sending me any money. Your transaction will be with Amazon or wherever you want to purchase the camera. If you don't like the camera, you just return it. If you already have a camera and you've got some interesting drive test video, then I'll pay for it. So check out those camera links before and then click on that link that says full details. You'll have a chance to exchange contact information and we can start the conversation. Thanks for making this channel great. Safe driving.